There are some buildings that become markers in the city by their scale, by their form, by the architecture, their prominence. I think 8 Wellesley is going to be one of those. Look at where we are situated. You couldn't get a better location.
Yonge Street doesn't need an introduction. When you're this close to everything that matters in the downtown core, it simplifies your life.
The area is just so vibrant, and it's one of the most sought-after neighborhoods. You just have access to the entire city.
This is 700 meters away from Yorkville. High-end retail, fine dining, luxury hospitality, all at your doorstep.
The truth is we may never be able to develop a site on Yonge Street ever again. It's becoming so rare. There's not a single opportunity out there that comes close to a location like this.
It offers immediate access to employment opportunities, endless lifestyle amenities, not to mention you're directly beside the subway station connecting you to the entire city.
Having that access to where you work, to retail, to entertainment, to healthcare, to education is a huge attraction. It kind of reinforces and supports the lifestyle that most of us came to Toronto for in the first place. You don't get a better address than this in the city of Toronto. We knew right away that we had to do something that was completely different. It's highly influenced by the area. It captures the energy and the diversity of the immediate neighborhood, and it captures the sophistication and elegance of the context in which it exists.
8 Wellesley is really going to be the most enviable building in the neighborhood.
First impressions matter. We wanted to feel the luxury of Yorkville coming home.
And we put so much effort in making sure that every little finish is on par with such an iconic location.
21,000 square feet of amenity space that has been well thought out for today's modern world, today's modern buyer.
You have indoor spaces leading into outdoor terraces that once again will add to the animation of the street and the neighborhood.
It offers everything that someone wants when they think of a luxury lifestyle in a downtown location.
This is an incredibly unique opportunity to get onto Yonge Street at the heart of the city starting in the 500,000s.
You get these once in a while. You get a project that comes through the doors that doesn't need any pretension, if you will. The building and its location speak for itself.
This really stands out as the best location Centre Court has ever brought to market, the most centrally located, accessible site in the city.